In the last couple of videos, we talked about different types of information security roles that exist. In the last video especially, we dive deep into in-house roles and what they actually look like with actual examples from LinkedIn. In this video, we will talk about the second category of roles, which is you work in a consulting company or you work for a role which is a consulting service or where you're providing service to your client, and the service could be any information security or cyber security service. So let's get deep into it. Consulting roles are very different from in-house roles, and most people enter these roles without knowing what they are signing up for. So in this video, I want to tell you that in a consulting role, your job is to be ready to assess, advise, and in some cases, even implement for a lot of your clients. So, your work will move very fast. There will be a lot of variety in your work. However, you may not have like complete ownership over the work, right? Your expertise and your guidance will be very valued in a consulting role or a consulting company. I think a big part of such roles is documentation as well as communication. How you structure your thoughts on paper, how you explain technical risks to non-technical people, how do you communicate risks to these people, and in few cases you may also have to implement a particular security solution. So that could also happen depending on the type of consulting firm you have joined. An example, let's say there is a company who doesn't have their own information security team and they outsource this information security to some other company. So this other company, they are meant to provide these services, information security services. Let's say the client has asked for a pen testing service for some of their infrastructure. So the consulting company employees or the folks who work in such roles will get the scope of the engagement. They will conduct the pen test and then they will spend a lot of time in writing reports. So they have to make sure that when they share these reports, these are readily digestible, these are easy to understand, and these have good impact. And all of this type of work definitely helps improves one's communication skills, both written as well as oral. In consulting, how you explain also matters more than what you know, and that is not true for an in-house role. In in-house roles, it requires a slightly different type of skill set altogether. We will continue more in the next video. We will look at some of actual real life consulting roles in information security.